How to use the graph editor in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and switch to the graph editor workspace from the top left tab. This editor displays your animation keyframes as curves, making it easier to adjust timing and motion smoothly. Next, select the object or bone you want to animate, and you will see its keyframes curves in the graph editor. Each curve represents a different property like location, rotation, or scale, shown as a colored line. You can zoom in and out or pan around to focus on specific parts of your animation timeline. To edit the curves, first select the keyframes by selecting them. You can move keyframes left or right to change their timing, or up and down to adjust the value. Holding the Ctrl key while moving snaps keyframes to the nearest frame for more control. You can also adjust the interpolation between keyframes. Press T to open the interpolation menu, where you can choose between options like linear, Bezier, or constant. Bezier is the default and gives smooth transitions, but linear creates uniform motion without easing, which can be useful for mechanical animations. Another important feature is the handles on each keyframe. By selecting and dragging these handles, you can tweak the curve shape, controlling acceleration and deceleration for more natural movement. To switch handle types, press B and pick options like auto or free. Finally, you can add modifiers to your curves by clicking the Modifiers tab in the graph editor. These let you create repeating cycles, noise, or limits, adding extra effects to your animation without keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to use graph editor in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.